Okay, Boomer friends, welcome. Today, let's talk about creativity in older adult life. Yes, research has made it very clear from the National Institute of Mental Health that creativity continues to increase through our 60s, 70s, 80s, and even 90s. In fact, creativity and the ability to be more creative in our responses to life and to our challenges may be one of the hallmarks of successful aging. Your older adult life may be your most creative because creativity increases with normal aging. Creative expression during older adult life is not the exception, but the rule. It's been said that aging is a well-known spawning ground for creativity. Let's first understand what creativity means. It's not just paintings and gardens and things people can see. It's anything that's transcending traditional ideas, rules, patterns, relationships. It's crafting meaningful new ideas, new methods and forms, interpretations in new and different ways. It's originality, progressiveness, imagination. But it's also the activism that changes society. It's a new perspective, doing business in a new way. It's relating to others with more awareness and more skill. It's consciously changing to be more than what we have been. Creativity is doing different and new things, or doing old familiar things in a different or new way. Today I want to look at why creativity continues to increase throughout our older adult years. There are 8 psychological reasons creativity increases with age. Number 1, creativity requires some level of life experience and knowledge, and older adults have that in abundance. Number 2, aging can be very liberating. We have permission within ourselves to attempt and try new and different things. Number 3 is courage, prompted by age-related perspective of, if not now, when. Number 4, older adults are more in touch with their unconscious. They can draw upon that through feelings and reflections. The brain's sort of like an iceberg. With aging, that iceberg's raising up out of the water, giving us more exposure to the things we had previously pushed into our unconscious mind. Number 5 is time. Many older adults are retired, and that provides deepening of thought through time and inspiration and contemplation. Number 6, it's easier to define problems and come up with problem-solving solutions when you have had so many problems in your past to overcome. You've built up some strategies. Number 7, we start asking ourselves better questions. Unless you're some old adult curmudgeon, you know by now that we don't have the answer to most or hardly anything, but we can certainly ask ourselves better questions and come up with better answers. Number 8 involves slowing down. Whoa, you think slowing down, my brain's slowing down, that's a bad thing. Time for a paradigm shift. True, as a brain ages, information typically does not get processed as quickly as when you were a young adult, and historically that has been viewed as negative. But what if this slowing down process promotes creativity? Most things don't need to be completed in a beat the clock mode. Slower processing means more time to adjust, digest information, and respond thoughtfully rather than simply under pressure. It provides time and opportunity for a creative response. When it comes to creativity, imagination, curiosity, these things have unlimited potential to increase throughout our 70s, 80s, and 90s. Maya Angelou had a very profound observation when she said, "You cannot use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have." We older adults can put that into practice in our daily life as we become to appreciate our own enhanced capacity for creativity and use it, the more we have.